Hey everybody, how's it going? Was at Home Depot tonight picking up some other stuff. What did I pick up? Propane. Exchanged some propane tanks. That's what I did. Sorry, I had a senior moment there. Couldn't remember what I was there for. And I saw this. It was in one of those aisle displays, they put there so you see things that you're not really looking for and you impulsively buy them. It's kind of what this was. I've got a bunch of lights, work lights, underhood lights, that kind of thing. They're all getting old. I've got a couple Astro pneumatic lights that I've liked and I've had for a long time. I think the newest one is like 3 years old, and it's starting to, the charge isn't lasting as long. And the oldest one I have is 10 years old, and it doesn't last long at all. So I thought this was 24 bucks at Home Depot, so I thought I'd give it a try. You know, what the heck? Anyway, what it says, it's rechargeable clamp work light, 3-year limited warranty, clamp, stand, hang, or magnetic, USB-C included, lithium integrated rechargeable batteries, 5 modes, high, low, and brightness modes, impact resistant, water resistant, and 360-degree pivoting huck. There you go. That's what the box looks like. If you guys want a part number on it, it's 1001772 Let's open her up. I haven't even seen it. Usually I open a box in the store, but I didn't. It's kind of big, but I kind of knew that judging by the size of the box, so it's not a huge surprise. Just your regular USB-C charge cord. I've got, probably 50 of these things. The magnet. Decent magnet. Actually got 2 magnets in the back, you see there. I'm guessing that's the on-off button. That would be your battery strength meter probably, or your charge meter. Your hook. Kind of disappointed the hook is plastic. Kind of not disappointed. Doesn't scratch things if you're hanging it from stuff under the hood and that type of thing. So that's all right. I'm not sure what that is. What does it say in here? Model EL2605. It's 4,000 milliamp battery. Date code 0123, so it's recent. Suitable for wet location use. Warning, do not use magnets for horizontal overhead mounting. Just drop on your head. It's not terribly heavy, but it's relatively heavy. It's heavy enough. Here's your input, and it's got a USB output. I didn't even know that. Could be handy. Don't imagine why I'd need a USB outlet on my work light, but hey, it could be handy. What if there's a power outage and I've depleted all my other power sources and this is all I have? This is a bit of a pain in the butt getting that back in, but it does go in. I suppose it provides a good water seal if it's difficult. So let's see if there's any juice in it. Oh, look at that. Fully charged. So it has one on the end. That's your first button. And it comes fully charged. That's impressive to me. So let's hit it again. I think that just shows the meter. That's that one. Hit it again. It's dimmer, flashing, off. So you've got the flashlight mode, dimmer flashlight mode, full bright work light mode, dimmer, slightly dimmer, and flashing. I don't know why they bother with these flashing modes, but whatever. Okay, so I'm assuming clamp. Not sure how this works. I could read the instructions, but I'm not going to. I'll probably break it before I use the instructions. Oh, wait. Okay, that's your clamp dealie. Okay, so that's how it clamps. Like that. See that? That's how your clamp works. So you just squish these ends in, and it spreads that. That could be handy. I don't know how handy, but it could be. You can also do it like that. That's handy. I like that. So let's just move it up here and say we want to clamp it on. I don't know. I don't have anything in here to clamp it to. Don't clamp that 'cause it doesn't stick out enough. I don't know. Let's say my hand is a shelf. Ta-da! It's kind of cool actually. And it does rotate full 360 degrees. I don't know. I like it. I'll have to see how I like it after some use. The plastic doesn't seem to be the top best quality, I will say. Let's bring you guys back down here. But for a light, we'll see. I mean, I don't drop lights too often, but they do get dropped, so it'll be interesting to see how it holds up to that. Standing on its own end, stands all right. It's not too bad. It is a little top heavy, but not badly. Like, it's not teetering here. I can poke it, you see. Again, the magnets aren't too bad, as long as you have both. If you only have one, it's not the strongest, but it's not bad. I'll give an update after I've used it for a while, and we'll see how she works. So far, I don't know. It's neat. Instructions, just looking at this so I can give you guys an idea of what the charge times are and stuff. Blah, blah, blah. Work light, magnet protective cap, USB socket. Charging the product, 4 hours. Charging product takes about 4 hours. If battery becomes empty, only one LED on the charging indicator is flashing. Open the protective cap, connect the battery charger, blah, blah, blah. It's a 2 amp USB outlet. So yeah, you press it once, you get flashlight 100% brightness, press it again, 50%, press it again, you get the work light 100% brightness, press it again, you get 50% brightness, press it again, flash, off to press over, blah, 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 turn it off. Adjusting the light direction, you can rotate it, charge small objects, blah, blah, blah. So nothing really as to how long it'll last. It's got, what do we got, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 little LEDs in there. There you go. Pretty neat, eh? Anyway, that's it. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. I'll be deliriously happy. I'll be so happy I'll pee my pants. Maybe not, but ask anyway. Talk to you later. Bye.